Like eating and drinking, having somewhere to live is a basic human need. People spend around 22 hours a day working and living inside buildings, so it's important we feel comfortable there. That's why CG Elementum, one of Germany's most innovative real estate companies, is addressing this vital question: how do we create sustainable spaces in which everyone can create their lives?
Europe's building sector alone is responsible for around 36% of greenhouse gas emissions. Something needs to be done right now to massively improve this carbon footprint.
At CG Elementum, we put people at the heart of every project and take social responsibility by ensuring our projects have a sustainable impact. As a driver of our industry, we aim to make a worthwhile contribution to transforming its environmental credentials. This applies to all kinds of living, including subsidised and rent-controlled housing.
Our aim is not just to cut carbon. We plan urban quarters that are climate neutral. We ensure these quarters are supplied with green energy through innovative technologies and energy concepts that integrate the highest possible share of renewable sources.
We are particularly proud of our Plagwitzer Höfe project, where we have built Saxony's largest private photovoltaic system. This saves 750 tons of CO2 every year.
To ensure a project is developed sustainably, it's important to plan, construct and run a building as efficiently as possible. This saves money and time, hence why we are committed to pushing forward with the digital transformation of the construction and property industry. We harness the benefits of building information modelling, or BIM for short. The use of individualised prefabricated building elements makes our production system efficient and saves on resources. For example, 1 square metre of shear wall contains 50% less reinforcing steel than conventional structures, whilst ensuring the same or improved stability.
Comfort comes when a home is as warm or cool as needed. We are delving deeply into this area and becoming true energy pioneers in the process. We are constantly researching possible options and using green technology together with carbon-neutral heating and cooling systems. We turn surplus energy from photovoltaics and wind power into hydrogen, with the rest going into energy storage or the public grid. In this context, we work with approved systems and very high standards. We use CHP installations that can be adapted for such setups, and we include thermal energy from the ground in our plans wherever possible.
As a project developer and specialist for sustainable and digital construction with more than 25 years of experience, CG Elementum offers the whole spectrum of services for buildings, both new and old. Especially when it comes to conversion projects and the renovation of listed buildings. Our work is twice as sustainable because we are revitalising old buildings. This is made possible by over 600 members of staff who facilitate more than 80 projects with an overall development volume in excess of 6 billion euros across Germany. They are the soul and driving force behind the company. Our employees are fully committed to our long-term investments in social and cultural projects. On our path into the future, capital markets will be our crucial companion and an essential component of our vision for sustainable property.